Good morning, children. How are you all? A warm welcome to my dear loving student, my dear state student. I want to tell you, most of the students didn't see the videos. Please, all of you see the videos and practice the syllabus very well and write the CW well and read the syllabus very well. Children, coming to that, what is the date today? Today date 10/8/2021. And what is the date today? Today is Tuesday. Children, coming to that, what is the name of our lesson? What is the name of our lesson? Our lesson is selfless service. In this lesson, we already see the main character, Swami Vivekananda, poor man. Poor man is nothing but a cobbler. As a profession of the, what is the profession of the poor man? Cobbler. A person who makes the shoes. And also gentleman. We already know that the lesson started at the railway. The story started at the railway station. Okay, na? Swami Vivekananda was at a railway station in Rajasthan, where so many people and come and meet the Swami Vivekananda. They asked about their spirituality. They asked the doubt about the God. Okay, na? But without any hesitation, Swami Vivekananda give the answers to all the people what they asked their doubts. And like this, in this manner, Swami Vivekananda continuously 3 days didn't take any food or drink any without taking food and water. He continuously clarified the doubts of the people without taking any food. But this one person noticed that is the poor man. He came to the Swami Vivekananda, asked Swami, you didn't take any food for 3 days. And that time Swami felt he is a God. Okay, na? The God has appeared in front of me in the form of a poor man. And that time Swami asked, my dear child, give me something to eat. And that time what the poor man replied, Nana? The poor man replied, Swami, I have the rotis, but I have touched that one. That's why if you want, I will go and bring the coarse flour and do like that. And that time, Swami, no problem, give me something like that, he asked. Then the poor man went to home and bring the fresh made rotis to the Swami. On the time Swami take the rotis from the poor man's hands. This one all has seen by this one all see the gentleman. On the time the gentleman came and what they told, next we can see in this lesson. Coming to the children, all of you open the textbook and look at the page number 16. Children, all of you look at the page number 16. Okay, now? Have you opened the textbook? While I am reading the textbook, you should look at the book carefully. See, Nana? They came to Swami and said, Swamiji, it was improper for you to accept food from this man who is low birth. Then the gentleman came, G-N-T-L-E-M-E-N. Gentleman means it is a singular form or plural form. It is not a singular form. It is a plural form. Gentleman. Gentleman is a singular gentleman with the plural form. Okay, Nana? The gentleman came and said to the Swami, Swami, why you are taking the food from the poor man? He was born in low caste. Like that they said to the Swami. Swami patiently heard them and then said, on the time Swami was so patient and listened what they are telling to the Swami. You people made me talk without respite for the past 3 days, but you didn't even care to inquire I had taken any food or rest. Okay, now here what is that, ma'am? You people made me talk without respite for the past 3 days, but you didn't even care to inquire if I had taken any food or rest. And that here what is that, ma'am? Oh, my dear people, you only come and asked me, but you never. No one you come and asked. What is that, ma'am? The gentleman asked, why you are taking the food from the poor man? But even you didn't respite, you didn't identify, you didn't give any rest to me. But here what, without respite for the past 3 days, but you didn't even care to inquire if I had taken any food or not. Oh, my dear gentlemen, for the past 3 days we didn't inquire. You didn't give any respite means rest. You didn't give any rest. You didn't give any food. But you are come and asking the doubts. I will explain, I will clarify your doubts, but you didn't notice if I had the food or not. But this man identified that I didn't take the any food. You people made me talk without respite for the past 3 days. But you are the people, we never give the any rest for the past 3 days. And also, but you didn't even care to inquire if I had taken any food. But you all also didn't notice if I had taken the food or not. He continued. He means what is that, ma? Swami. You claim you are the gentleman and boast of your high caste. What is more shameful is that you are condemned this man for being from a low caste. Okay, now then Swami Vivekananda continued and saying like this. What is that, ma? You claim you are the gentleman and boast of your high caste. What is more shameful is that you are condemned this man for being from a low caste. On that time, what is that, ma'am? On that time, here what is that, ma'am? The Swami Vivekananda saying like this. You are claiming, we are the gentlemen, we are the high caste. You are claiming, you are the high caste people. We are born in high caste, low caste. But here we are claiming, you are claiming about the poor man. He was born in a low caste. What a shameful thing it is. Like that, Swami continued to talking with the gentleman. But the gentlemen hang their heads in shame. They realized what they had done. Okay, now on that time, Swami Vivekananda told about the difference between the caste. What is that? The gentleman was born in a high caste. The poor man was born in low caste. Okay, now. But here, what is that? They are saying we are the gentlemen. Why you are taking the food from the poor man? He was born in a low caste. How shameful thing like that. The Swami Vivekananda told to the gentleman. On that time they realized what they done. The gentlemen hang their heads in shame. They realized what they had done. On that time the gentleman understand that what they did, what they had done. Oh, really we did the mistake. Okay, all are equal only. Okay, even the poor man and the rich man, all are equal. Okay, now God showing the love towards all the people. The God never show the any difference between the poor and the rich. All are breathing the air, all are drinking the water same. Everything is same only. Is there any difference? Is there in the low caste and high caste? There is no difference. Then the gentleman realized what they did. And also, can you here coming to the meaning condemn? What is that, ma? Condemn. C-O-N-D-M-N. Condemn means disapproved. You only approving he is a poor man, he is a low caste. Don't do like that. Swami said to the gentleman. Condemn means disapprove. DISAPP, disapprove of something, disapprove of someone, disapprove of someone. Okay, now children, see now. Condemn means disapprove of someone. CONDEMN. Condemn means here the gentleman condemned means what is that? They only approving the he is the poor man, he was born in low caste like that. Don't do like that. All are equal like that. Swami told to the gentleman. Then they realized what they had done. They did the mistake. They understand. The gentleman hanged their heads in shame. They realized what they had done. Can you overlook the humanity he has just shown and despise him without feeling ashamed? Can you overlook? Here coming to the meaning of overlook. 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 Look. Overlook means what, ma'am? Ignore. What is IGNORE? Ignore. What is that? Ignore. Here who are ignore the poor man? Here the gentleman ignore the poor man. Can you overlook the humanity he has just shown and despise him without feeling ashamed? Here the Swami Vivekananda told to the gentleman, you are ignore the poor man. He was noticed. He was showing the humanity towards me, but you are not giving any rest. You are not showing any humanity. Okay, shown and despise him. And despise means what, ma? But you were despise means dislike. Here the gentleman dislike the poor man. But here what is that now? You are overlook the poor man and also you are despise. You are dislike the poor man. Here without feeling ashamed, without any feeling, you are dislike the poor man. You are ignore the poor man. Like that Swami Vivekananda told to the gentleman. Okay. This is how Swami Vivekananda taught a lesson to the gentleman who tried to discriminate against the poor man. Here at finally, this is how Swami Vivekananda taught a lesson to the gentleman who tried to discriminate. Discriminate means Sinana, treat a person or particular group of people differently. Discriminate. Sinana, discriminate. 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 Sinana, DISCRIMINATE. Discriminate means treat a person. Treat a person or treat a person or treat a person or a group of people here discriminate means what? Treat a person or group of people differently. But some of the people, rich people are there, they are discriminating. They are look at the poor people. Discriminate means they look at the poor people differently. Oh, we are the rich man, we have the money, we have all the things. But this poor man don't have anything like that, they think. But here, at finally, how like the Swami Vivekananda taught a lesson to the gentleman. Here, madam, this is how Swami Vivekananda taught a lesson to the gentleman who tried to discriminate against the poor man. Here the gentleman or the against to the poor man. Here what is that man? Here the gentlemen are against to the poor man. At finally, the Swami Vivekananda taught a lesson to the gentleman. Then they understand that what they had done. Okay, Nana? Here, what is that? Man? The gentleman discriminating means what? They are look at they treat a person or a particular group differently. They only the superior. We are the high caste. We are the so-called. We are the so-called people. We are born in the high caste, like the dating. But here the poor person or the really have the kind-hearted or a large-hearted. He is the person to identify the even the Swami Vivekananda didn't take any food. But children, okay na? At finally, do you understand the class? Do you understand the lesson? Okay, now some of the people are showing the differences among the castes. Don't do like that. We are all equal. Okay, now we never show the difference like a gentleman. We are showing the kindness towards the people like a poor man. This is the lesson. I hope you all understand. Tomorrow I will explain the OT syllabus. Thank you, children.